How's it going, everyone? Welcome back to Guides to Everything. In today's video, I'll show you on how you can paint your 3D printed models using the Anycubic slicer next. So I have this model right here ready to be painted. To get started, you simply want to make sure to add some filament first. So just click on the add one filament button. It's going to be the plus icon with the filament icon on it. And then simply from there, you then want to click on the color icon and choose the color that you want to paint onto your model. So let's say we want to paint something like yellow. Click OK. And then to get started, make sure that your model is selected. And then you want to select this paint bucket right here. It's going to be the color painting. You can also use the N on your keyboard as a shortcut. Select the color that you have inserted. In my case, I have multiple filaments, and in this tutorial, we are going to use something like the yellow. So I want to apply the yellow onto the tail section. Of course, you can use multiple tools like the triangle tool, height range, and more. But in my case, I'm just going to do something like adding the pen size in order to make my brush bigger. And from there, you can just use the left click on your keyboard, and now you can get started painting your model. And so if this video has been helpful, leave a like, subscribe, and follow Guide to Everything for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.